Good morning. I'm sorry I can't be there with you guys today, but this is what we're going to be working on today. So if you look below, there is the Word document if you want to open it up and type on it, or you can just simply put this into your notebook on the correct page. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through how to set up your notebook for this page and what we're going to do. And then I want you to watch the second video for our objects. So the first thing you're going to do is we're going to observe 6 objects. I want you to write the name of the object that I show you in the second video in each of these boxes. And then you're going to write down your observations as I show you what that object does. And then, after you write your observation, you will turn your observation into a question for each one of these. So let's start right now by writing down the name of each object. Our first object is going to be a battery. Our second object is going to be a rubber band. Our third object is going to be a dice. Our fourth object is going to be Play-Doh. Our fifth object is going to be a toy car. And our last object is going to be a bouncy ball. So go ahead and write those 6 objects down. Now I want you to pause this video and go and make the observations and turn your observations into questions. When you're done watching that video, come back to this one so that you can get your guiding question. Pause now. So hopefully you have watched the objects and seen what each of these objects can do and made your observations and turned your observation into a question. Now for your guiding question. What are the different types of energy and how are they different? Remember that this is a 2-part question and you need to answer both parts to receive full credit. So what you're going to do is you're going to watch your notes for this week and you can do some research on Google. Make sure you're not going to Wikipedia, all right? Make sure that you're actually using science websites. So you might even want to type in this question and add the words for kids and see what websites pop up that you can do your research on. Happy hunting and have a great day. Bye, guys.